SMART is a collaborative manufacturing and advanced robotics training project from FIRST Robotics, Carnegie Mellon Robotics Academy, and manufacturing industry partners. The project is about using micro-certifications to promote advanced manufacturing as a career, highlight the technical skills students learn in FIRST, and create a pathway to manufacturing careers. Micro-certifications are smaller, more specific versions of certifications that can be earned by students who demonstrate specific skills. Input from people like yourself already in the industry helps decide which skills are chosen to be recognized, which skills employers should look for to tell if someone has the entry-level skills to be a productive member of your team. We need your help in creating these micro-certifications. Let us know what your company is looking for in a worker to work in your industry.